Hello, my name is Duplyakin. I'm a co-founder of Learnix Center. Learnix Center is a training program put together by IT professionals for people who want to join IT workforce. In 3 months, we will help you to become a software tester. These days, the software industry is booming. A lot of companies trying to make money, coming up with different ideas and selling new programs. And while all these new programs sometimes require different skill set and different technology, one of the things they all have in common is they need somebody to test their products before they hit the market. And while the IT software tester profession is part of IT world, it doesn't require too many technical knowledge up front. So in 3 months, we will teach you multiple things that will help you to become a good IT tester. We put together everything that new tester need to know in a book, and our experienced instructors will go with you over this book and make sure that you understand all the basics of the profession. We will work with you on tools and technologies used by IT testers to make sure that you have hands-on experience using them. And we will work with you on your resume, and we will work with you on preparation for interviews until you get the job, even if you already graduated from Learnix.